Alright, so what we have here is GPS for the iPhone. We've got a custom microcontroller and a GPS unit, and a little switch here that allows me to switch between the serial lines on my microcontroller and the GPS unit. You have to send a toggling sequence to the phone, and that was determined by Colin Meyer. So I used his code to kind of hack something together. So what you do is you start off with it in the microcontroller mode, and what I'll do is plug this into the iPhone, and it'll start acquiring satellites. It takes about 60 seconds for it to start acquiring satellites. So what I'll do is talk about some other stuff in the meantime. So on the screen here I have a GPS application that I put together, and this is just a basic bare bones GPS application. It shows longitude and latitude, and it allows you to actually bring the longitude and latitude up on Google Maps. So we're actually over here at Rite Aid right now, over in Burbank, California, and what we're going to do is we're going to do a demo where we're going to show the GPS actually getting coordinates, and we'll show that you can actually update those coordinates, and then we'll show it to you on Google Maps. So as soon as this thing's done acquiring satellites, which it has right now, it's blinking, we can go ahead and start the application. So we hit GPS, it brings up my microcontroller here should blink blue 2 times, which tells me that the toggling sequence has been done, and the iPhone will actually tell me that this accessory is not made for the phone, so I just say no. But since we have a hacked iPhone, we can do whatever we want. So now that we're in the program and we have the toggling sequence finished, I can switch the serial port over to my GPS unit, and I'll hit refresh up here on the top, and you'll see that it actually gave me a longitude and latitude. And if I keep hitting refresh, you can see that it actually does update per the data on the GPS. So now I hit show map, and it takes that GPS data and it sends it to Google Maps, and it'll actually bring up coordinates on Google Maps. So if you look right here, it says we're on the corner of Magnolia and Hollywood Way. And if you look out here at the Rite Aid, and you could probably zoom in on the street signs over there in the corner, and you can actually see that we're actually at Hollywood Way and Magnolia. So that basically shows you GPS on the iPhone. If you want to go back over to here, you can actually see the coordinates it shows you on the screen. And from here, with Google Maps, you can actually see directions from here, and you can get directions anywhere you want to go. So I could say I want to go to Los Angeles, G-E-L-E-S, California, and tell it to route. And it'll actually route me from my current GPS location to Los Angeles, California. If I had an address, it would actually make more sense. But there you have it, GPS on the iPhone.